Welcome friends, I Rakesh Sharma welcome you on my channel Emrans. Friends, are you aware that on 19th August I will be completing 4 years of my YouTube channel? And if you go back, then you will find that 50% of the videos what I have made in my entire journey I have released in the year 2020. I want you to understand that why I have increased the frequency of my videos in the year 2020, because there was some awareness inside me, and that awareness I wanted to share with you all. Lot of people in YouTube are predicting that we are going to face a very difficult time in the coming years. Lot of people are predicting world war. Lot of people are predicting death of mankind in huge numbers. And when you watch these videos, a fear develops, because everywhere you see, you listen, you feel, you get all these vibrations of death, world war, panic, virus, and we are disturbed internally, emotionally, and we feel that is there any way in which we can find out the light, or this is the end of everything. My friends, we need to understand that every person who have come on this earth will die someday. Still, if whatever is going on currently, if it will overplay our brain, then we will go into that fear. It is not the time to create fear. Avoid any such videos, any such news which creates fear inside you. We all are over here for some specific reason. Why don't we question ourselves for our existence, rather going to the fear of what will happen in the coming future? Everybody on this earth is suffering, and everybody is looking for a ray of light, a ray of hope. Still, we are unable to find it, because the more we go into this search outside, the more fear develops inside. The kind of vibration you attract, the kind of videos you watch, the kind of news you listen will affect your thoughts, will affect your emotion, will affect your brain, and you will run into that direction, and it will create a lot of fear inside you. I have increased my videos frequency in this year only for you all, only to make you understand what exactly a life is all about and what we need to focus on, rather focusing the events what are happening outside. It is my simple video, and if some fears are there inside you, then I am telling you, don't react, don't anticipate anything which we are not aware of. Many people make these videos only to earn some revenue. We are over here to help each other. We are over here to generate hope. So why we are doing this stuff, what we are attracting, what this human race is attracting, I have always told you, whatever we will create inside, it will reflect outside. So it's up to you that what kind of world you are creating for yourself and others. If everybody is praying for world war, if everybody is praying for something very negative, if everybody is praying for death of mankind, then this is going to happen. We have to change our thought process so that we can attract some good vibes, some hope for ourselves and for others, so that it can help us. So I urge you through this video, don't focus on the negativity which all these mediums are providing to you. Focus only on those channels, on those mediums which generate a ray of light or ray of hope for you all. And this is what is more important, at this present time. The more you are tough mentally, the more you understand the wisdom of God, then you will find the answers and a ray of hope for you. I hope this video will help you, and the point what I am making in this video you will understand. Thank you very much, my friends, for watching this video.